Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to create Spring Boot project from scratch to implement one-to-one relationship. So open browser, go to Spring Initializer, type start.spring.io, and I'm going to create a Spring Boot Maven project. And Spring Boot version, I always recommend to use latest version. So 3.1.5 we are going to use. And project metadata. So group ID, I will use com.jpa. Artifact ID, one to one. Spring Boot one to one. So I'm going to use JDK 17 because Spring Boot 3.0 onwards it will always support JDK 17 and above versions, higher versions. So I will go with default 17 version. Let's add dependencies. To create REST APIs, we need to add web module, Spring Web Module, control and select, and then Spring Data JPA. After that, we are going to connect with MySQL database. So to connect with MySQL database, we need to add MySQL driver. Type MySQL driver and control and click. Next, I will add Spring DevTools as well. This dependency is optional, but I am using because of whenever we are adding some changes into our application. So if those changes want to reflect in Tomcat server, every time we need to restart the server. So without restarting the server, if we add Spring Boot DevTools, we no need to restart the server. Okay, that is the purpose we are using this DevTools. Now total 4 dependencies we added. Now click on generate button. Now our project is downloaded successfully. So now I will copy this project and I will keep in a specific directory. So you can keep any of the one of the drive you can keep. So I am going to keep one of the folder, and I'm going to extract the zip file. Now go to project directory and copy the path. We can import into Eclipse. So open Eclipse. So this project will support only JDK 17. I have downloaded. I have not installed the Java in my machine. I have downloaded latest Eclipse version, and this Eclipse will support JDK 17. So if you no need to install the Java in your machine. If you download latest Eclipse from the Google or Eclipse organization, so from there you can download and install in your machine. So this Eclipse will support JDK 17. We no need to install it. Okay, so now we need to import the project. So there is option called import projects. Click on that, or you can select from file as well. There is option called import. Okay, so we are going to create a Spring Boot Maven project. So select existing Maven project. If you did not find this option, just type Maven, then you can see this option, existing Maven projects. Click on that and copy that project directory path, click enter. Or you can browse from here also by clicking the browse button. Now you can click finish button. So our project imported successfully. If you are importing the project first time, so your all dependent jars will download background. Okay, so if you are importing this project very first time, then all the dependencies will be downloaded from Maven repository to your local machine M2 folder. Okay, so now our project is ready now. Okay guys, so now in this lecture we have just created the Spring Boot project. So in next lecture I will create one to one mapping. Okay, I will create the entities to perform one to one relationship. Okay, so who are all watching this video newly, so you can subscribe my channel. And once you subscribe, it's free of cost. You can subscribe and you can watch all the videos. Okay, so every day I will updated a class. Okay, so you can go to browser and you can type http://www.youtube.com/@rasul-sheikh/playlists. If you go to this portal and click on enter, so this portal will open. So here you can subscribe my channel to get all the updated videos. Okay guys, so once you subscribe, so all the lectures in sequential order will be there. So here you can learn Spring Boot and Angular JS and microservices, RESTful web services, JPA, JDBC template, and unit test cases and Mockito framework, and also JWT and extra and additional courses. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet in next lecture.